Caracalla, ruled from 198 through 217 CE. The story of Emperor Caracalla begins with two brothers, Caracalla and Geta. Caracalla was cruel and ambitious, whereas Geta had a more gentle personality. Caracalla and Geta disagreed about everything. They even planned to divide up the empire. Filled with both hatred and ambition, Caracalla commanded his guards to kill Geta in the year 211 CE. Reportedly, Caracalla also ordered the deaths of 20,000 of Geta's friends and supporters. In 212 CE, to secure his popularity, Caracalla commissioned the building of the Baths of Caracalla, which would become the largest public baths built in ancient Rome and remain a long-lasting achievement of his reign. In 213 CE, Caracalla left the city of Rome and carried out much of his reign elsewhere. Wherever he went, he ordered murders, confiscations, and violence. He personally directed a massacre of the people of Alexandria when they mocked his claiming that the reason for killing his brother was self-defense. Obsessed by war, he depleted the state treasury to fund his military expeditions. To retain support of the army and keep the throne, he lavished soldiers and immense sums of money from the plunder of his empire. Eventually, the reign of Caracalla ended when Julius Martilius, a member of his own bodyguard, assassinated him in 217 CE.